Glauber Contessoto, 33, became a Dogecoin millionaire after putting his whole life savings totaling $250,000 in the cryptocurrency when it was trading at 0.045 cents. He became a millionaire 2 months later in April. Hello everybody and welcome back to Luxurious Life, and today we'll be talking about the Dogecoin Millionaire Glauber Contessoto Story. Please make sure to go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button to stay updated about our upcoming uploads. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Since then, his net worth has fluctuated as much as the cryptocurrency market has. He was worth $2.9 million at its peak, and at his lowest he was worth $975,000. Those swings, however, pale in comparison to Dogecoin's meteoric rise in the last 3 months. I have 4 million Dogecoins currently, which means that at 25 cents I'm a millionaire. At 50, I have 2 million. At $1, I have 4 million, and so on and so forth. People always ask me, why are you still a millionaire whenever these dips are coming? And I'm like, it is at least 25 cents, then yes, I'm a millionaire, Contessoto told. He was recently valued at 1.3 million, but he's not worried about the potholes on the road because he has no intention of selling anytime soon. Cryptocurrencies, according to Contessoto, will eventually replace many of today's assets and currencies. While there's no way of knowing which cryptos will keep their worth in the future, he compares present assets against their crypto counterparts. So if the future is cryptocurrency, what are we looking at as the start of the gold standard? If we had to compare the two, the gold standard to me is Bitcoin. And what is that? A store of value, right? It's a scarcity. You can only mine so many Bitcoin, just like gold. You can't just make gold, Contessoto said. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, the number of Bitcoins that have been mined is limited. There can be no more than 21 million coins that have been mined, and approximately 18.6 million Bitcoins have been mined up to this very date. On the other hand though, Dogecoin has no restriction, making it less scarce and more inflationary than Bitcoin. It can, however, execute transactions much faster, making it a superior contender for payment processing. What exactly is the dollar bill? What is the cash equivalent? What is the easy, everyday transactions that we do whenever we get to the store? In my opinion, that's Dogecoin, Contessoto said. He believes that, like the dollar, consumers and customers will be able to utilize the cryptocurrency for regular transactions. While that may appear to be a stretch, his explanation is that memes have become a popular tool for millennials and Gen Zs to interact and communicate on the web. It's now coupled with a monetary unit. It'll only be a matter of time before he can pay his barber with a meme, in his opinion. Contessoto's optimism is bolstered by the fact that Elon Musk has been promoting Dogecoin's popularity, even hinting at the possibility of accepting it as a means of payment at the Tesla Corporation. Because Contessoto has no plans to sell any of his Dogecoin at any time in the near future, he sees drops as an opportunity to stock up. He used to set a notification on his phone when Dogecoin fell below a specific level using the Yahoo Finance app. He'd log in his account and buy more once he got that notification and the signal. He doesn't buy Dogecoin at a defined price or with certain marks. His plan is to buy whenever it drops after reaching an all-time high, which means he's bought it at various price points throughout this last year and this current year. For example, he bought Dogecoin when it was 47 cents only to see it plummet lower, later pushing him to buy even more. Contessoto claims that everyone's stomach turns a little nauseous after their first dip because the cryptocurrency market is volatile and it will most likely decline in price regardless of when you purchase in. I feel like as long as you hold, as long as you diamond hand it, as long as you don't be a paper-handled pansy and you hold all the way through the moon, you'll be fine. People just need to understand that dips happen. They're normal. Healthy corrections are necessary for the crypto space, and you just have to take a deep breath and, if you can, buy the dip, Contessoto said. Well everybody, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you all so much for watching and have a great and fantastic day.